Okay, I think the stream is ready now, guys. Hello, guys.
Alright.
Hello, Cocoverse community. How are you this week? We are the Cocoverse crew. I'm Christopher. This is Arnar and Evan. Yeah, we're going to just talk about updates and the future of Cocoverse and what we have been up to this week. Yeah, let's just begin. Where should we start? Let's just start with the game and the sign and everything.
Okay, we can do that. So
Okay.
I'll hop in.
Let me see.
Load now.
I'm logging in.
Loading. Okay, I'm in. I'm waiting for. Are you loading right now?
Yeah, it's loading on my end. It's so slow because my computer is crashing.
Yeah. Oh, Arnar's in.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. My laptop is dying.
Oh no.
What?
His laptop is dying, I think.
Ah, I thought he said my granddad is dying. I was like, what?
Oh, no.
You're announcing that right now?
Are you still loading in?
Yeah, I'm loading right now.
Are you on the have you like logged in, like put in a username yet, or are you?
Yeah, I just put a, yeah, I'm loading like from my computer is just it's so slow right now because I'm off a stream and stream avatars and everything.
That makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm in right now.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So, yeah, I guess we can show off the new.
Yeah. Let's just go into 27.
Yeah. So apartment 27 is an apartment that is, or a property that's currently up for sale on Object.
Yeah.
And now in game, as you can see, it displays that. So any property currently for sale or listed, there will be a sign. This is just placeholder art for right now, so it's not it's not the final sign.
I actually like the sign, so maybe we'll keep it.
Oh really? Really?
Let's see.
I mean, yeah. I mean, it took me about 5 seconds to make, but I think that's pretty good then. But yeah, so the for sale sign now shows up, and it might not appear like much, but actually it represents a big leap in the development of the Cocoverse game.
Yeah.
Because this is one of the first. This is the first example of us accessing the Object API and looking at the data from collections that we have.
Yeah.
So we're planning to have a lot more features implemented very soon that have to do with accessing the blockchain. So
it was just the first step.
Yeah, first step, exactly.
And a big step.
Yeah.
It makes everything else very much easier.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna shut off the game right now because my computer is crashing.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna do, let me see, OBS, Discord. Okay, so we're gonna talk about a few things that have been happening this week. Not much, because in real life stuff has been happening. Evan has carbon monoxide poisoning and
something. There's been something going on this week. I've been getting pretty sick for apparently no reason, but yeah.
Yeah, so we actually and there's been much going on in real life. So we haven't had much time, but we have been doing although many good things.
Yeah.
One of the things that we have been doing is talking to artists and other big projects, like really big projects on the Tezos top blockchain. about doing like stuff together, connecting like project together, because to me that's like a really important thing. Like if we're building a metaverse, I'm doing this in
Yeah.
like quotes. I don't know if we're building a metaverse or not, but if we're gonna do that, we have to like be able to connect with all the different like aspects of the blockchain. So we're gonna take the first steps in doing that
Mhm.
and connecting us with other big projects, like big projects. And yeah, we're gonna work with. I'm gonna announce few names, like Satanas. He's been lurking like all the chats, and we have worked with him on a key, and he did
Yeah.
one Coco for us. And like many months ago, I made the Edgar cartoon with him, and he made a Coco cartoon. So we have been working together for many months now, and we're gonna do a kind of big thing, like
Mm.
involving his Edgar character and his whole project. And
Mhm.
yeah, and then we also have been talking to other artists on joining actually kind of the artistic
Mhm.
side, because we want to start making like a town. We had talked about that. Start making like a community centered place,
Yeah.
and there we're gonna be like making like a coffee house and a shop
Yeah.
and
Yeah, like a
doing
hub,
yeah, exactly,
a
like a
hub
hub.
for the world. Yeah.
Yeah, and we're gonna need artists and people to help us with that. So
Yeah.
I have actually meetings next week with at least two artists that we really like and are actually like really good and we have worked with before.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take a little meetings and check if they are up to like the task of doing, like, because if we're gonna do a town, that's so many assets we have to draw,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
that's just something I am not capable of doing all by myself. Because
Mhm.
yeah, so we're gonna talk to other artists. That's gonna be happening next week, and hopefully next Friday we are able to announce what we're doing with Satanas and the other big project we might be.
Yeah.
We're gonna
Yeah.
have a
It's top
meeting with.
secret for now.
Yeah, it has to be a secret for now.
Yeah.
Um, yeah,
Big.
yeah. I think it's gonna be a big announcement actually, but just in the
Yeah.
Tezos community in whole,
Mhm.
because some of the projects actually have a big community.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah.
yeah. Other news: I found an admin named Amat finally.
Oh,
So we
that's
will
good.
be having a Twitch mod, and he will be like joining us maybe on some meetings and on streams. Maybe he will not be
Yeah.
talking, but he will be like involved more into like,
Yeah.
so he will know
Dynamic.
what we are up to, so he can like
Yeah.
talk on the Discord stream and stuff like that.
Answer questions and stuff.
Yeah, exactly, and answer questions on the Twitch and Discord, and I hopefully at some point take over like the some of the Twitch, no, Twitter part of it.
Mhm.
Uh, yeah, so we're gonna see where that leads up to.
Yep.
But he will at least be like joining the chat on Twitch and on Discord.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean there are not many updates this week. It's kind of sad.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah,
A lot of stuff in the background. A
yeah,
lot of
so many
under the hood
background
stuff.
things, like the API
Yeah.
things and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
there's not much visual we can show you, which kind of sucks. But
Yeah.
yeah, we're also gonna do the airdrops. So
Oh yeah.
maybe next Friday, let's hope it's next Friday, we will be airdropping to all the Coco owners
Yep.
a whole Cocoverse property.
Mhm.
Like all the Coco owners, everyone who owned like the little cartoons we made in January, they will be getting their own property, and they will also be getting like a surprise that we are not gonna be announcing, but it's gonna be pretty cool.
Yeah.
So yeah, they can look forward to that. I will make another announcement on Twitter surrounding that, because so they know that they actually get the property, and then they will be able to like vote and do stuff like that, and they will get their whole different street. They will not be on Skelly Street, which is the original street. They will be on Coco Street, which will be just the Coco owners. There will be 500 properties there. Yeah. In the end, but yeah, this is just the first 100 of those.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's pretty cool. Yeah. I thought about this when I was taking a shower. Like all the ideas I get in the shower, by the way.
Yeah.
So if I get an idea, just know I'm naked and wet.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Yeah, so the idea I got was that in like the coffee shop and stuff, we can actually be hanging like art from artists that we actually like.
Mhm.
That actually sounds like pretty cool idea, that we can actually be scouring through all the artists, and if we find someone we like, we can just be like, hey, do you want to hang your art in Cocoverse Cafe or something?
Yeah.
So
that's really cool.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you guys anything to say?
No, not really.
No, not really.
We're working on the neighborhood aspect of the website.
Mm-hmm.
So there you will be able to check out all the properties that are available in the Cocoverse, and you can see who owns each property and how many floors it is and whatever, and see if it's for sale. Arnar is currently working on that, and he's redoing the design on the website. We have been like redoing colors and the design. Yeah, I have been actually thinking, should we have some kind of a skill table?
Skill table.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Yeah, like a skill tree kind of thing.
Yeah, just.
Oh.
Can we have some kind of skills? Not pay to win, but is there possible to do that in this game?
Like what would they would be used for mini games and stuff, or?
Yeah, something like we at least are gonna have to have crazy prizes for the mini games. So you get NFT prizes for the mini games if you win.
Oh yeah.
But
interesting. Yeah.
But we have to do something like that. Like if you have the highest score in the end of a month, you get like some crazy prize that you can hang up in your property. But I was actually thinking about some kind of skill tree, but I don't know. Maybe it doesn't fit into this game. Maybe.
Could be. I do like skill trees though. I agree.
Yeah.
I like skill tree mechanics, but yeah, we'll have to. I'm not sure. Maybe once we have more like gameplay elements in it, we can see where we could fit.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Or we can actually have the users vote for it. So if they actually want skill table, we can actually implement that in the end.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we should just end the stream right now.
Yep.
I think we have a 20-minute stream.
Yep.
I will upload it to YouTube, and send it on Twitter and people can watch the what.
Yep.
Thank you guys for watching, everyone who did, if someone did, I don't know.
Yep.
Yeah, until next week.
All right. See you guys later.
Goodbye.
Bye.